Welcome to Intellify. In today's video, we are going to discuss what are the unknown facts about the solar system. What is our solar system? Do we know everything about it? Let's define it first. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Number 1. It formed 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar molecular cloud. Number 2. The principal component of the solar system is the Sun, a G2 main sequence star that contains 99.86% of the system's known mass and dominates it gravitationally. Number 3. When we consider the IAU or International Astronomical Union's definition of planets, we come up with 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, which follow the same orbital path, that is, they orbit the Sun in the same direction. Number 4. Ages ago, when the solar system was not discovered, it was believed that the Earth lies in the center of the universe, but we are nowhere near the center, and this was discovered by NASA. We are actually 165 quadrillion miles away from the actual center. Number 5. We can measure these vast distances across the universe by looking at things such as standard candles. There exists a type of exploding stars that tend to have the same luminosity, which makes it easier to predict how far away they are from us. Number 6. Even after being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet. In fact, Venus is the hottest one, with approximately 465 degrees Celsius of temperature. It is because of the atmosphere of the planet. Number 7. Pluto is smaller in diameter than the United States of America. In 2015, we got to know that it's just 2,371 kilometers across, while the USA is 4,700 kilometers in diameter. Number 8. Scientists have discovered numerous objects in the solar system that are farther away from the Sun than the dwarf planet Pluto. These are named trans-Neptunian objects or Kuiper belt objects. These facts indeed tell us a lot more about the solar system than we thought it to be. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.